This is a problem you will have with owning property in the Philippines. These people, the neighbors here, the property I'm on is titled, been surveyed 3 times titled. Yet these people have their bathrooms and their kitchens on the property. You'll be able to see the post here in a minute. I'll step out here. Don't want to get too close to them, aggravate them. But there's a fence post right there. There's a property line fence post. So you can see approximately 3 feet of that house is on this property. The problem is with that is you can never get rid of these people. This one here is the same way. Approximately 3-4 feet of the house is on this other property. The problem is you can never get rid of them. They won't go away. They won't move their house. You're just kind of stuck with it, and there's nothing you can do about it. The house was here originally before they built this house here, and these people won't go away. They don't own the property they're on, but they won't go away. They just tell you no, they're not going to move it, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can take them to court, you can do whatever. There's nothing you can do about it to make them move their house. So that's part of the problems that you deal with here in the Philippines with people and owning property. You know, just because you have a title or a clear title and get it surveyed and you say you own that much property, doesn't mean you're going to have that much property. The papers, the system here is a lot different in this country. So it's very, very hard to deal with this, neighbors, and deal with property owners, squatters, whatever you want to call them, because there's nothing you can do with it. They call themselves tenets, where they take care of the property for a little while, and then they become where they think they own it. They think it's theirs, and you can't get it out of their mind. It's not theirs. They don't own it, but just because they've been there a little bit longer or been there a while, they've used it, they basically think it's their property. So that is a very big problem in the Philippines. This is the second video I did on this property thing. I'm going to do one more here in a few days. So on property and owning property and the problems. And it's kind of the same problem. It's tenants. People use the property for years. Now they think they own it because they've used it for years. And they just don't go away. They will not go away. And there's nothing you can do. You can see this side of the property, that whole house, half that small building right there is on this property. And there's nothing you can do about it. They won't go away, like I said. You know, they'll just complain, be mean to you, no matter what you do, you know. So that is this really short video. Today I'll take some pictures of this and put some still photos in where you can see the posts and stuff. But that is kind of the way life is living here. And there is nothing you can do about it, you know. I'll come over here and take a picture, a little video of this corner post on this other one here. There you can see the corner post of the fence and the property line. That one's a good 2 feet over here. You know, this one here is a good 3 feet, 3 to 4 feet on the property. And that's their bathrooms and their toilets or their kitchens, and it's draining on your property, but still, there's nothing you can do about it. You can't get rid of them, you can't make them move it. It's life, you know, it's something that you have to just put up with in these kind of countries and places. So, well, that's the video for today anyway. And like I said, there will be one more on property here coming up. Seen some land on the hillside where somebody owns it. Somebody's been a tenant for years. Now they think they own it and they want it. They won't give it up. It's their farmland now. I'll do a video on it in a few days. Until then, stay cool, stay sexy.